Guys, we are breaking down some really intricate 8 counts today. John with me here today, so we're going to start right from the top. What's the first one we did? Are we going from the step? No. That's it. Our jazz square. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and stop. We're going to do the first 8 count, okay? So the first 8 count, basically, or first 4 count, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. Notice the 1, we're holding the 1. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good. Question, yeah?
Aren't we doing, is this part?
Oh, that was our warm-up.
Okay, all
Yeah.
right.
We're just talking about the prep. We probably will use it in our routine somewhere. So that prep, this thing here, da-da, it's a good party dance. It's something that you should, have it in your bag. So when you go to a party,
People are going to be like, oh,
the prep. Okay, let's get back to our routine. So eventually we're going to get to our prep. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's kind of like a pop array, but we're starting from here. Okay, you're going to hook around the back. And you have 5 and 6. Now this next move is called a butterfly. 7, 8. So it's you're balancing on the ball of your feet here. There's a little level change down and up. Okay, so and your arms kind of just goes, kind of weaving this way. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this motion. It's not an infinity sign.
Infinity.
Oh, it is an infinity sign. Double infinity right here. Okay, let's go from the top one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So moving on from here, we go right into the and 1 and 2. We're going to show just the leg first, then we'll add the arms. So we have 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So by itself is relatively easy, right? And we also did mention the sway, which I'm just going to have John demonstrate. So 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So notice the head position right here is relatively stable, okay? Whereas the legs are going side to side, the head's going to try to stay as in place as possible. So again, from the 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now, just the arms, okay? We're going to go our left arm, you're going to go and down, so and chop, and 1, and 2. Now you're going to go and 3, and 4. Almost like if you're rowing, okay? Normally you probably just go on the same side, another person's on the other side, but I guess you're doing the one-man show. Row here, row here. Okay, you got to row. Kayak? Yeah, there you go. Is that how you kayak? I think kayak's more like, maybe kayak, yeah. Here, here. Kayak. We'll call this the kayak. So you got 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. From here, notice that we have to stay low, right? And you're pivoting on so right when you get and 4, your toes are pointing out. You got a nice turnout right here. 4, and we have and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so one more time. Let's go from that 1. Chop. 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Okay. So that's it. Any questions up to there? Okay. I think so far so good, right? So now we're going to move forward. We'll do the whole thing together later. We'll move forward. Okay. So we have 8, and we have 1, 2, and 3, and stop right there. We're going to stop at the 4. One more time. So it's like that first rhythm where it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. This is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay. So we just pause right after the 1. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now moving forward from here, this is one of the drills I want to give you at home. Okay. Just the pendulum swing. You're just going to go kick, 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 tap, tap. If you guys ever seen New Kids on the Block? that's Jungle Love. Jungle Love. Morris Day. That's a joke. No, but I think no, Hanging Tongue.
Yeah.
Hanging Tongue. I think they do this too. If I
Yeah.
remember correctly. Anyways, it's one of the you just start on the ball of your feet right here, and now you double. Okay. So stay on the ball of your feet. Hop, hop, hop. So this is a good way. So now you're gonna go boom. So right when you get out here, pull it in, kick it out, switch, pull it in, and keep that hop. Okay? So that's a good way to get into this move. So moving forward, so 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So on the NA, we got the and 8. Okay? Let's try one more time, just that one and count. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Moving forward right here, you're gonna go to this is our left side. Step 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. One of the things to know is use your body as counterbalance. So while I'm going this way, I'm gonna go 1 and 2. Right on the 2, 1 and 2. I'm leading this way, and 3. I'm leading this way. So notice the 2. It's 2 and 3. So this is one of the things that you could kind of just practice. Lean the opposite way. Okay. So 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is relatively easy. You stay low. You don't want to go 3 and 4. Don't want to come up. It's just 3 and 4 right here. Stay low. One more time. Let's get to the 4, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now moving forward. Right now you're going to go around this way. Yeah, twice. 1 and 2. Or 5 and 6. Sorry. So 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. So this part is called ATL stomp. Basically what you're doing is you're kicking the air. You're stomping down twice and then jump on the third time. Kick, kick, jump. Okay? It's really 3 kicks. 1, 2, 3. But right on the third one, you're landing here and you're hopping at the same time. So to do that, I see a lot of people go like this. Boom, boom. You hear the sound, boom, boom. It's more like boom, boom. Just land together, okay? And to do that, you have to land here, and then boom, then land together. Okay. So let's go again from and 8, the last 8 count. 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Perfect. Let's go all the way from the top. Okay? On that jazz square. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Oh, nice, brain part together. Here we go. Let's go all the way from the top.
Super funny.
We can't mess up there. You guys count with us, all right? 5, 6, 7, top. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and grab. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yes.